Hello everyone. So welcome to my SQL series. So these videos are for those who are just starting out in SQL. Okay, so I'm going to show the minimum system requirement for the SQL installation along with the step-by-step process for of the SQL software installation and what is SQL. I'm also going to explain what is SQL and why it is needed. On my screen, you can see minimum basic system requirement that is needed to download the SQL and to make it work smoothly on our system. Okay, so make sure that your system fulfills all this requirement. So before downloading the SQL, let's learn about what is SQL and its usage. So what is SQL? So SQL is a structured query language, which is a standard programming language used to store, manage, and retrieve the data from relational databases. SQL allows users to create and modify the databases, that is in the form of tables or the indexes or the views. It also allows user to insert, update, or delete and query data. It also helps in performing the analysis, data analysis and aggregations. It also provides a security in terms of controlling the access by controlling the access to the data using the permissions. So on my screen, you can see the some of the common uses of the SQL, that is data retrieval, data management, database management, data manipulation, data security, business analytics, data integration, and backend of the applications. So it is widely used in the industry. So now let's see how to install the SQL on Windows PC. Okay, so before we go to the step-by-step process of the installation, I request you all of you to follow my YouTube channel, that is Learn AI with Meta, and please like this video if you find it useful, and also share and subscribe with your friends who need to learn the SQL. So moving forward, so this is the website. This is the link of website which you can use to download the SQL. So in order to download the SQL, you need to go to official SQL website, that is sql.com, mysql.com. So you can see this is the website. So you will see this is the front page of that website. So here in downloads, click on the downloads. So this page will show up. So in downloads, you need to click on the MySQL community GPL downloads. So once you click on the MySQL community GPL downloads, you will see here MySQL installer for Windows. Click on that. So you will see this option here. Okay, so you need to download this package. Now it is asking for the login or sign up. So you can just say no thanks, just start my download. Okay, once you click on start my download, it will start downloading the software. So now we have to wait until the download gets completed. So it is now completely downloaded. So we will just show downloads folder. So here you can see the downloaded file. So just double click on this file to start the installation. So you can see it, on the first window, choose full and click on next. Again click on next here. Okay, then accept it, and again now you will see all the options. So click on execute. So it has now started the installation, and you can see the progress and the status of installation. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. So we need to wait here for 1 to 2 minutes till it completes the installation. So you can see two of the products are already installed. So now it is installing the third product. So let's wait for 1 to 2 minutes more so that all the products get installed. So yeah, now it is almost installed. It has all installed all the products. You can see here. So click on next here. Again, next. Here also we need to click next. Again we need to click next. So now it is asking for the MySQL root password. So you need to assign a password here. So make sure you assign password such that you will remember it always, because you need to give this password whenever you want to use the SQL software. So I'm just giving my password here. So again the repeat password. Once it is done, click on the next button. So make sure the password is easy. So next window is this. Again click on next, then you will see this thing. Again click on next, and now click on execute. So now it is executing all these configurations. So once it is done, click on finish. So on this window you will get this window. So click on next. Again click on next. It is showing the MySQL router configuration. So click on next. Here again click on next, and now you need to enter that password which you kept on the last page. So and click on the check button. So it is same. So now it is showing connection successful. So click on next button and click on execute. So now it is finished. Click on finish. So again click on next, and now it is showing the last page as installation complete. Click on finish. This is the first page of the installation you will see. So this is how the first window looks. So now we need to click on this new connection window, and again we need to insert the password here which we kept. So I will just save password in vault option. I will click on this option so that I don't need to insert the password again and again. So this is how the first window will look once you entered the password. If you like this video, then please share this video with your friends who wants to learn the SQL, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Learn AI with Smita. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.